Oh, and last night we had a couple of raccoons come over to try to empty out the automatic food dispenser. There was a lot of food in there, so a lot of food got ate, but it's still there. So we had about half an inch of rain last night. Well, it's Sunday. Wait for the plane to go by. It's Sunday, August 17th. We had a very good monsoon rain last night. We had about a half inch of rain here, which for this year we really only had 2 major storms, and each one was close to a half an inch. So we take what we can get. And we don't have too many oranges. This is a kind of sad thing. But it is what it is. I think there's another one over here. No, that might be it. So we had a half inch rain, and on top of that it's been very, very hot, of course. They've already said that this is going to be the hottest summer in the record books. It's been 110 to 111 or more pretty much every day. So the fact that I'm standing out here at 11 o'clock is pretty amazing, considering. Now, because we did have a half inch rain, we did get some water. Unfortunately, I didn't think ahead and put out all the rest of the buckets, or else we probably would have gotten some of these full. And obviously that's going to have to run through a filter. But basically, the tropical stuff seems to be holding up okay. Avocado's holding up. It's got some new growth. And we actually have tomatoes, which kind of surprised me. Pretty much when the heat comes up, most everything shuts down and doesn't have any flowers on them. So the fact that I've got some tomatoes growing is pretty amazing. Okay, it is very, very humid today, as one would expect. Had to go ahead and clean the filters because of family health issues. I've been gone for the last couple of weekends and haven't been able to clean them, so they were kind of dirty. They were mucky, and that's where the muck comes out. I'll have to actually put the sprinkler on for a little while to be able to spread that out, because that'll actually suffocate instead of fertilize. Let's see. As you see, a lot of the stuff has been pulled, so we can start getting ready for the next round. And in fact, somewhere between next couple of weeks, we're going to be doing starts. Potatoes kind of gave up, but that's okay. I got more to put in there. Tower garden is not doing too good, but once again, this is summer. I don't expect a whole lot once it hits July. Basil, doing okay. I got to pinch off some more of these flowers or else it's going to bloom. I'm letting those guys bloom. Got some seeds. Once they bloom, the basil becomes more bitter. And I don't want bitter basil. Okay. A lot of things are showing signs of the summer. Exactly how much have we lost? Don't know yet. I don't really want to count until another month and a half, 2 months, when the summer is actually over. Some things just did stupidly good. The dragon fruits really liked it. The fact that that eggplant is still going is kind of amazing. Peppers not doing too good. Fruit trees, mixed bag. Some of them are hanging in there. Some of them's got new leaves. Some doing okay. Some of them are probably dead, but I want to give it a little bit more time, just in case they want to show me up. And as you can see in here, a lot of stuff didn't make it. That cactus is probably 5 times bigger than it was maybe in May. And we're down to doing maintenance, like pulling out mulberry trees and palm trees. Beets are still there. I think some of the stuff has just finally given up the ghost, like the watermelon over there. There's still a little bit of carrots, but you know, it's like palm tree, palm tree, palm tree. The celery is still doing great. Amazes me. Broccoli and cauliflower, you can go ahead and seed. I'm fine with that. And we got oxalis. We always have oxalis. This is pretty invasive. When it blooms, it creates a pod. When the pod dries out, if you come over there, it's like getting a little, you know those little pea shooters? That's what that thing does. Shoots the little seeds at you. And yeah, they don't really hurt, but they're really annoying. This is really bad. Back here. I mean, basically, in the summer, you have maybe, if you wake up early enough, 2 hours to be able to do anything. Rain lilies have been going incredible. You're down to 1. You got to keep deadheading them so they'll produce more flowers. But like I was saying, if you only have a couple of hours in the day, you can't do a whole lot. And then there's just some days, I use that. There's just some days where you just can't, just don't make it in time. Won't wake up early enough, and just, okay, that kind of kills that day. But there's always the hope. We're coming up. This will all soon be replaced by cooler weather. And once it's replaced by cooler weather, then we'll start with more starts and start over again. A lot of times the fall garden is and can be more productive actually than the spring one. So, catch you next time.